Withdrawing money from WhatsApp to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your transaction successfully. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account linked to your payment feature. Step 2. Access the Payments section. Navigate to the chat screen and tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Payments from the menu to access your payment options. Step 3. Select Withdraw option. In the Payments section, look for the option to withdraw fund. Tap on Withdraw to initiate the process of transferring money to your bank account. Step 4. Choose your bank account. You will be prompted to select the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add your bank details. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your payment PIN or authenticate the transaction using biometric verification. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed, and the funds should appear in your bank account shortly. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection during the process for a smooth transaction.